Alright, I promised you guys a sound check as soon as I got all the kinks worked out, and they're not, and they ain't gonna get worked out anytime soon, so I figured I'd deliver anyway before I throw this through the window. Don't sound all that great, but you can see it works. There's a dead string. That's about it. All the bugs are bass related. They have nothing to do with the pickup or the springs. That works just the way I planned. Did manage to knock it over till they break off a couple tuner knobs, so that's gonna have to be fixed later. And you could hear it wasn't in tune. I'm having trouble with that too, but it works.